Can you all see?
No, sir.
Uh-oh. Something went wrong. Yep. Visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. A car hire agency has two cars. On an average, there is a demand for one car during a particular hour. Okay. What is the probability that both the cars are free? So you told me it is. Poisson distribution. Very correct. That is Poisson distribution. So firstly itself I can write here x follows Poisson distribution. And what is lambda, students? What is the mean on an average? How much?
1.
1, sir. So lambda equals to 1. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay, students. So x follows Poisson distribution. So Poisson distribution, lambda equals to 1. You know it already that lambda is equal to 1. So quickly do it on your own. Be very fast now. Write the PMF. PMF. P of x equals to divided by x factorial. So first question now. First question says both cars are free. Both cars are free is P of x equals to x equals to how much, students? Tell me smartly.
0, right?
Yes. Be very, very careful, students here. Be very, very careful. They have given to you the demand. Okay, understand this. They have given to you the demand is given to you. Okay, and they are telling you now that both cars are free. That means there is no demand at all. So how much is x? 0. Don't write it as 2. Okay, it is 0. Demand is not there. Cars are free. So P of x equals to 0, students. P of x equals to 0 is nothing but e to the power minus 1 into 1 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial e to the power minus 1.
0.379.
Very good. That's the correct answer. That is what is given here also. If you look at the Poisson distribution tables, students, e power minus 1, you will get the same answer. You will get this answer itself. That is 0.3679. Okay, correct. Next one, some demand is refused. What do you mean by this, sir? Some demand is refused. What is the meaning of this, students? Some demand is refused. Some demand is refused. How do you write it? when can you refuse the demand, students? When can you say, no, sorry, today we can't give you our car? When can you say?
When the car is not free.
When the car is not free. And here, with this agency, when will the car not be free?
When it is already...
Yeah, when all the cars are already booked. When all the cars are already booked, it is not free at all. So how many cars does this guy have? Only 2 cars, sir. So in case, so students understand this. Okay, that's why I said this is an important question, and that's why I've put this question here. Some demand is refused means when can you refuse the demand to someone? Whenever you have too many cars. I mean, whenever you have too many demands. But the problem is here, you just have 2 cars with you. Okay, and whenever somebody comes for asking for one more car, okay, you'd say, no, sorry, today we cannot give because we have only 2 cars. That means whenever your P of X is greater than
2.
symbol
So how is x greater than 2? I don't understand it.
okay, I will tell you again. Okay, symbol in the sense, students, I was asking you whether it's greater than 2 or greater than equal to 2. Okay, understand this. Okay, what's the question given? The question given is some demand is refused, correct? That means somebody is asking you for something and you are refusing it. If somebody tells you, okay, if somebody is, asking you for something, maybe see you're a car agency now and you have 2 cars and you have both the bookings today. Somebody will come to you and ask you, can I please take your car today for rent? Will you accept it or will you refuse it? Tell me. You're a car agent. Your duty is only to give cars on rent. Okay. One fine day, a person will come and ask. Forget about, the bookings are there, bookings are not there. One fine day, a person will come and ask you, I want your car for rent. So first, what will you see? You will see if there is any car or no. If there is a car, you will give him. There is no chance of refusing. But when will you start refusing? Whenever a person is demanding, please give me a car, you will say, sorry, sir, can't give you today. Okay, because already my cars are booked. And why is it greater than 2 here now? Because this fellow has only 2 cars. He has only 2 cars. So if it is more than 2, the demand is more than 2. If there is demand of 3, 4, 5 cars, you have to refuse it. That's why X is greater than 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, understand this question. Some demand is refused. So we can refuse to someone and tell, sorry, okay, your demand cannot be matched by us because we have only 2 cars and both of our cars are full. So if 3 people come and ask, 4 people come and ask, 5, 6, 7, 8 come and ask, we cannot give because we have to refuse them because we cannot fulfill their demand as our supply is short. We have only 2 cars and those are already booked. So greater than 2 means now, students, you have to find 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But can we find out like that up to infinity? No, sir. That is why this is Poisson distribution, where you have one more way. 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. Students, we will include 2 also here because here it is greater than 2. Okay, so greater than 2 in the sense we will have to include, it will become 1 minus P of X less than equal to 2. So we have to include 2 here. Okay, be very careful with that. Since it's only greater and not greater than equal to, we have to include 2 here. Students, simplify and calculate and tell me the answer. 1 minus. Tell me the answer for P of 0. tell me the answer for P of 1, tell me the answer for P of 2. P of 0, I know, 0.36.
Plus 1 is also 0.3679, right?
Is it so? Yes. Very good. Because 1 to the power 1 will be 1. 1 factorial is 1. So that is also 0.3679. Very good.
Sir, the P of 2 is 0.18395.
Okay, I will write the answer here finally. Okay, let me write it here. Okay, wait a minute. I will rub this so that I'll get place. How much is this? Is 0.3679 divided by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is that?
0.18395.
18395. Okay, you can make it 1840. Okay, anyways, now I've written it. Okay, so tell me the final answer, students, after 1 minus everything.
So 0.08025.
Okay. That was the answer, students, which we need. That is the answer which we needed also. 0.0802. Very, very important question. Okay. Since I'm going to send you the PDF, please understand, learn these questions properly. Okay. And this was Poisson distribution. Very good, Anish. Good guess. Okay. Next question, students. Did you finish copying this down? Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The incidence of an occupational disease in an industry is such that the workers have 20% chance of suffering from it. What is the probability that out of 6 workers, 4 or more contract the disease? Anybody? What question? %20 chance of suffering. Probability that out of 6 workers, 4 or more contract the disease.
Is it binomial? I
Okay.
don't think, but
Okay. Anybody else?
But sir, isn't this negative? Like something bad?
No. That's only about
oh
failures
yes, sir.
and accidents. That is only
Anything
about,
is bad, right? Sir, you only told.
that is about,
Anything bad?
yeah, that is about failures, success, accidents, defectives. Anybody else? Anything bad? I had specifically told you the words failure, defectives, accidents, mistakes. How about others? What do you all guess it? Be quick. Guess something or the other. Don't worry about right or wrong. Quick, 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 quick. Nikita?
Sir, I think it's binomial distribution, sir.
Okay. Subiksha?
Poisson, sir.
Okay. Priya?
Binomial.
Okay. Suzanne?
Binomial.
Okay. The incidence of an occupational disease in industry is such that the workers have 20% chance of suffering. Okay. So probability is given to me as zero point 0.2 of suffering. What is the probability that out of 6 workers are given to me, n equals to 6. P is given 0.2, so Q equals to 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. So what distribution is it? Binomial distribution. X follows binomial distribution with n is 6 and probability is 0.2. That's the reason I don't give the headings. Okay, now you will understand the pain of finding the distributions out. Okay, so X follows binomial distribution. So quickly I will write PMF. P of X equals to NCX into P to the power X into Q to the power N minus X. This much itself, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Probability of 4 or more contract the disease.